5 AI tools which are gonna blow your mind. At number 5, we have an AI tool called Crisp AI. Crisp AI is an AI tool which assists to cancel background noise in real time during calls, utilizing whichever video conferencing facility out there, whether Zoom, WebEx, you name it. Developed by Crisp, which is a company located in California in the US. This is actually themed the world's #1 noise cancellation app, and it acts as a smart layer between your device and any online communication solution to eliminate all background noise. That's how insane this tool is, and in fact, it is gaining traction. And beyond individuals, it also has different use cases out there. For example, call centers, for example, enterprises, developers, you name it. You might be wondering, with such a clear functionality, how much does Crisp AI cost? Well, it is free for everyone to use for 2 meetings per day and for a maximum of 60 minutes. In addition to the free version, it has a pro version which goes for $8 per month and allows users to go unlimited. And beyond the pro version, Crisp also has an enterprise version whose pricing is negotiable with the company. And of course, this targets corporates, those big companies which have many people require this solution at any particular point in time. Clearly, Crisp AI has a very clear use for the moment and even in future. And with that, it is clearly here to stay. And then at number 4, we have Slides AI. Slides AI is an AI tool which assists people out there to create beautiful slides and concise presentations. Yes guys, it makes your work easy when it comes to creating slides. You might be having a meeting which is coming soon and you have a given report, a bulky document. This tool is gonna assist you have a concise presentation. Slides AI is actually a powerful tool which has also a very specific use case and targets audiences for this particular solution. Slide AI is a powerful AI tool which assists to create slides in few seconds. Yes, in very few seconds. All you got to do is paste your verbatim in this solution and then specify the type of presentation you want and the number of slides you want it to generate, and then boom, you're gonna have your concise slides in seconds. Amazing as it sounds, how much does Slides AI cost? Like most software and tools out there, it has 3 price points. First price point is free, which allows a person to create a maximum of 3 presentations per month with a cap of 2,500 characters input. And then it has a second price point, which is $10 per month for pro version, which actually allows for a person to create 10 presentations per month with a cap of 6,000 characters input. And lastly, there is a premium version which costs $20 per month. This targets businesses and can actually be used to make unlimited presentations. Slide AI is very effective and actually has a very clear use case. This also tells us that most likely this solution is here to stay. Although with many competitions bound to come up in this software as a service niche, then it also means that Slides AI needs to also upgrade its game for it to stay relevant and offer more for its clients, right? And then the third tool is Perplexity for iPhone. Perplexity AI is an AI search tool which provides instant answers and also cited sources on any topic. This tool, which is actually developed by Perplexity AI, allows people to search, and in fact, it is a search tool which allows a person out there to learn and explore than ever before with key functions such as voice chat. Yes, guys, it allows for voice search, follow-up questions, thread history, and many more other functions. As you can see, this is a powerful search tool that could be used casually or even utilized in academia to assist with research in a very fast and effective way. As amazing as it sounds and also as clear as this use case is, it is 100% free and functions just like Chat GPT. So iPhone users out there have an application they can use just like Chat GPT on their devices. The outlook of this is very exciting because it has a very clear use case, and I think based on its adoption, we might see it getting even new price points in the near future. And then at number 2, we have an AI tool called Kick Resume AI. As per the name, this AI tool is a tool which assists in automating CV creation, and in fact it is a very powerful resume builder. This AI resume builder is powered using Chat GPT, and this tool functions by writing professional sections for your resume summary, work experience, and education with a consistent tone throughout the document, and gives you your CV in seconds. You might be thinking, why all this and you already have a CV? The thing is this, out there, HR consultants, people are doing recruitment, are looking for consistent tone in CVs and also that maximum organization. This resume builder is going to assist you with that, and actually it's going to effectively assist you enhance your chances of getting shortlisted or even getting a job out there. This AI tool is actually serving a very specific niche too, and what is interesting is that also it is free for the basic template, and then it has monthly and annual price points. And of course, for these annual and monthly price points, which are also quite affordable, it provides 35 more professional resume templates to be utilized. So it gives you the flexibility to feed it whichever title you want and then generate these summaries based on the chosen template. And then at number 1, we have Background AI. As per the name, Background AI is a powerful AI tool to create realistic, studio quality backgrounds, illustrations, and portraits in just seconds. This is very clearly a powerful editing tool that can be used by both hobbyists and professionals out there to impose or even to have awesome backgrounds which are quite realistic in their creations. This powerful tool is actually 100% free and can be accessed through Image Creator AI. Of course, this tells you that also this niche has lots of competition with new tools coming up each and every day. And I think for Image Creator, it needs to up its catalog of offerings for it to stand out and even over time be able to include price points in their solution. As you can see, the AI space is really evolving. Just for example, the month of March, we have seen there being over 1,000 AI tools being released, with thousands of tools and even hundreds of thousands of use cases being released monthly. We are truly living in an interesting era. What do you think about these 5 AI tools which I've shared with you today? Are you using any of them? Are you looking forward to use any of these tools I've discussed today? Share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Comment for us to continue educating each other. But I'm personally very excited and looking forward to what this entire AI world is going to offer and how it's going to disrupt the world and make the world a better place. Cheers. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.